Researchers in China have just announced that they have, through the help of modern technology and careful study, made a huge breakthrough on revealing an ancient and mysterious star chart, or more accurately, star map. Or actually, let's just go with the original title, because the original title itself is very badass. It's called The Star Manual of Master Shi. And this mysterious ancient treatise is a work of literally astronomical perfection. It contains detailed mapping and careful observations of over 120 different constellations and astronomical arrangements. But until now, it didn't really get the appreciation that it deserves, because some scholars felt that it had a lot of errors in it and wasn't really all that accurate. But a recent team carefully poring over the Star Manual made an astounding breakthrough when they realized that there's not errors in this thing at all. Instead, it's comprised of work covering two distinct time periods. The first and oldest body of the text was composed around the 4th century BC. Centuries later, it would be added to and updated by astronomical observers in the 2nd century AD. All of this is truly groundbreaking because it restores the legitimacy of our fine star manual here. But more importantly, this pushes back the date, too, for when it was composed by centuries. It is now the oldest known star map ever found from anywhere in the ancient world. And while we have the recordings of star positions as far back as Babylon in the 8th century BC, there are truly no other maps like this, these detailed graphical maps that have ever been found from this early of a date. Well, and I've said it before, and I'll say it again, sometimes we get so caught up in chasing down the next big archaeological discovery, we don't take the time to properly appreciate the truly fascinating bits of our history that have already been discovered. Like, everyone knew about the Star Manual before this, but just no one thought it was a big deal. Like how many other discoveries have you and I talked about here together where that was the case? Like, people just not appreciating what they have. And I know I sound like your mom, but it's a good message. And as you lay your head down to sleep tonight, take the time to count your blessings, no matter how humble they may be, even if things aren't perfect. If you're alive, if you're breathing, then tomorrow's a chance to make things even better. And have a good night. Sleep well. I'll see you soon.